Let's transform this old chopping board into a decor piece. I'm staining this chopping board. I have used itsy bitsy chestnut colored stain which works good on wood. So first I have sanded this board to become smooth just using regular sandpaper, then wiped it off. On the smooth surface I applied this chestnut colored stain. Now I am doing the second coating. Like this, the wood will take its natural color if you use stain. It won't be like it is painted. I have chosen the side which is good to paint with stencils. First, after this stain dries, I am going to varnish it. I am using itsy bitsy gloss varnish. You can even skip this part and directly apply varnish after the stencil work. I had lot of pending projects, so I varnished this and kept for few days. And later I had to stencil this. I am using this patterned stencil here which creates a border, and mixed media paste. It is like a thick gesso. It's called modeling paste. Firmly place the stencil with little tape. Apply thick layer and then remove. Clean the edges with wet cloth or wet tissue. You have to let it dry little bit, then apply the next so that it won't smudge. It will dry in around 15 minutes. So I have continued with this pattern. Slowly when you lift, you get a nice stencil. Always be patient. Smooth it out. Even it out. And wherever you feel less paste is there, you can apply little more. Basically it should look even. In the first go you will not get it right. It will always leave little extra residue in the sides. Clean it with a wet cloth or wet tissue. Let it dry. This doesn't happen in one day. You have to let it dry completely. Then apply varnish. Even some designs I had to redo because it had got smudged. Now I am applying varnish second coat after the stencil. This varnish coat gives it a nice shine. If you like matte, you can use matte also. I like it glossy finish. Chopping board is transformed. I have even done it with a round board also. You can check out that video. Easy stencil work. Try this. Thank you for checking this out.